guys, I've started doing something with the garden. So these are the flowers I bought yesterday, and I've got my gardener here. He's gonna plant them. He's already done this bit. I don't really know the name of these flowers, but they're quite pretty. I'll show you from close. So he's gonna clean up the whole garden. Right now he's planting the similar flowers, the one I've shown you. Hi Jeffrey.
Hiya.
Do you enjoy doing this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Keep me out of trouble.
You're doing an amazing job.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Looks nice, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
And you think it's gonna grow
Yes,
nice?
it will.
Yeah?
It will. It will.
Okay. Do I need to put anything else afterwards?
You need to put what do you call it? Some baby buyer.
Baby buyer?
Yeah.
What is
It
that?
sells in a bottle, little bottle,
Okay.
and it makes it grow. Just put some round the
Okay.
root of it, not on top of the flowers.
What is it called?
Baby buyer.
B-A...
B-Y.
B-A...
B-Y.
B-Y.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about the slugs and, you know... you think they're gonna come
Put a
to...
bit of salt,
A bit of salt
sprinkle a
here?
bit of salt, and it kills them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And, you know, you think the fox is gonna come and dig my garden?
Well, I can't guarantee that.
But how do I stop them from doing
You
that?
can't.
You can't, okay.
You know what they're like? They're sort of
Yeah.
wild animals.
Yeah, they don't listen to anyone. So guys, Jeff is helping me. Got this, he's going to start doing this. I've also got some lilies. I'll show you guys. For the side entrance. So this is the entrance from the side towards my garden. So I've got some lilies. He's gonna take all these weeds, and I don't know what all of this stuff is, gonna take them out, and he's gonna put the lilies in. I'll show you, this is how the plant looks, but okay, let's see. Can you see that? So that's the lily. Again, I got all these plants from B&Q. Do check out their garden section. They got amazing flowers, some beautiful flowers and plants.
Go to the garden shop
Yeah.
and get slug killer.
Some
Slug.
slug killer. I was going to get it yesterday, but my husband was like, no, let's ask Jeff first. Okay, I'll do that. I've also asked him to clear these side things. He's gonna remove all the weeds. It seems to be a pattern over here, which is like a zigzag or whatever. So he's gonna just do that. I've got a lot of roses in my garden. They haven't bloomed yet. There's no literally flowers there yet, but they're gonna come out soon. I think this is these purple ones are lavender, but I don't know. I don't want to risk smelling it. And then we got some flowers here. These ones, when the sun comes out, they literally bloom, and as soon as the sun goes down, they close as well. They're quite pretty. I'm not sure what this is. I asked Jeff, my gardener, and he said, you know what, leave it, it looks pretty. So I'm gonna leave it for now. This is my outhouse. I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'm gonna build that, but obviously later this year, and I will obviously record the whole thing, the renovation. Right now there's 2 rooms, but the plan is to just convert into one big lounge. So yeah, I will take you guys on the journey with me. And again, I've got some flowers here. I think we need new fencing, so I'm gonna buy the new fence and put all around. For now, it's okay, because as I just started doing the garden, I don't know what's going on here. Something is But yeah, Jeff is gonna sort this out. Look at this cute little birdhouse. I'm gonna get rid of it and I'm gonna buy a new birdhouse. Probably gonna order it from eBay or Amazon. But yeah, this one is gone. I need to get rid of this. So that's pretty much about the garden. Obviously we have to move the lawn. All the grass has to be cut. But for now, that's it. Oh, I'm so happy my flowers look so pretty. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, Jeff has already started putting them in. So, if you see properly, there is another kind of flower plant in there. He's cut the, you know, the dry root stems. Not roots, what am I saying? But yeah, so this is gonna grow just in the middle. All of this, they're gonna come out, and then these flowers will be around it. Jeff, are you gonna put new compost?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think they're gonna grow fine with new compost?
It should. Yeah. It helps a lot.